let's do this. I'll talk to you some more about proportions. Proportions are two equivalent, they're equivalent ratios. A ratio compares. So if I have 1 is to 2, I can say 1 is to 2 as 2 is to 4. 2 pieces out of 4 is 1/2, right? I can also, if I have this equal sign between these two fractions, 2 times 2 equals 4. 1 times 4 equals 4. If this times this equals this times this, then we have a true proportion. Okay? If I had, let's say 4/6, and I want to know how many 12ths this is, I could have an X right there, okay? An unknown. To solve for that unknown, I know 3 of the 4 pieces. If I know 3 of the 4 pieces, I can find the 4th piece. Multiply 4 times 12 together. Take the amount we get and divide it by the number that is catty-corner to my unknown X there. So, 8 pieces out of 12 equal 4 pieces out of 6. 6 times 8 is 48. 4 times 12 is 48. This times this must equal this times this for it to be a true proportion. And if we know 3 pieces out of the 4, then we can find that missing 4th piece, or our unknown. Okay, so on the worksheet that you have, I'll work a few of those on there with you, just so that you can be sure that you understand how to solve them. And you may use your trusty calculator, okay? All right, so let's do 7/9 equal 21 over X, or the unknown, okay? So we'll start with multiplying the two numbers that we have that are catty-corner to one another. So I'll say 9 times 21 equals 189. Okay, that's step 1. Okay, step 2. Take that 189 and divide it by the number that is catty-corner to my question mark, or my X, my unknown. Divide it by 7. Okay, to put that in our calculator, turn it on, put 189 divided by 7 and enter, and I get my answer of 27. Therefore, 7 out of 9 equals 21 out of 27. This times this equals this times this. 9 times 21 equals 189. 7 times 27 equals 189. Let's do another. Okay, let's say I have 5 out of 8 equals X over 16. Okay, doesn't matter what piece we're looking for. If we know 3 out of the 4, we can find the missing 4th. So let's cross multiply the two numbers we have that are catty-corner to one another. Step 1. 5 times 16. What's that going to be? 80. Okay. Step 2. Take this number, divide it by the number that's catty corner to what I'm looking for, my unknown x. 80 divided by 8 tells me that 10 is what x is going to equal. So 5 over 8 equals 10 over 16. This 8 times 10 is 80, 5 times 16 is 80. So I know that I've worked it correctly. Okay, x over 12 equals 25 over 3. Once again, I'm going to, for step 1, cross multiply the two numbers I have that are catty corner to one another. 12 times 25. And let's multiply that in our calculator. 12 times 25, enter, and I get 300. Step 2. Take the 300 divided by the number that is catty corner to my unknown, which is 3. My final answer is going to be 100. So 100 over 12 equals 25 over 3. 25 times 12 equals 300. 100 times 3 equals 300. Okay, so you guys try those, practice them. I will check them for you, and I will see you on the next video.